Welcome to NPM Tech. Tools that are worth your attention. Tall tying tool. This is totally manual tying tool. Thanks to its wide opening, it can tie all sorts of vegetation on any trellis system in less than 2 seconds. It is used with a 280 feet biodegradable wire paper coil. Each roll of tying wire can do about 1,000 ties. Each tie can resist about 18 pounds of weight. Marshalltown Paint Can Carrier. The Marshalltown Paint Can Carrier features an ergonomic soft grip handle to make carrying a paint can easier with less fatigue. The handle also includes a magnet so painters can transport a paint can and loaded paintbrush without risking a spill. The ladder hook allows the can to hang for easy access while staying well balanced. Rapid Roll. Securing an outdoor worksite, hazard zone or maintenance area has never been easier. Rapid Roll creates a visual barrier system in minutes. Designed for ease of use and efficiency, this ultra-portable fencing system can be set up and taken down safely by just one worker in a matter of minutes. Raimondi RV 175. The Raimondi RV 175 Tyler's vacuum cup with case that creates a tight grip, even on textured materials. It is suitable for loads up to 130 kilograms and the vacuum gauge ensures the operator can easily see when the vacuum needs to be replenished. Comes in a strong carry case and spare parts are available to keep it in tip-top condition. Timberline Sharpener. The Timberline Chainsaw Sharpener makes sharpening your chainsaw much easier and more precise. The Timberline Chainsaw Sharpener lets you sharpen your chain on the job, allowing you to work faster, smarter. The tool comes with everything you need to sharpen your saw. Included is a durable carry case with shoulder strap and belt loop. The carbide cutters used with the Timberline are interchangeable and are purchased separately. Thank you and don't forget subscribe, like and share.